You call in my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you.
Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this eye makeup look. Yeah, that is because I did the base makeup and rest of the face makeup behind the camera, and I kept the focus only on the eyes. I did this smoky brown smoky eyes, and I think on my channel I'm doing a smoky eyes for the second time. The first time being the New Year glam makeup look where I did a smoky shimmery kind of an eye look. This eye look is very wearable, it's very beginner friendly, very easy, and I used only affordable, good quality products to do this look. This took me very less time to do just because I was shooting, so it might seem like it is a bit lengthy, but it's really very easy. So yeah, that's it about this particular look. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This really small gesture of yours would mean absolutely everything to me, would support my work and also keep me motivated. So thank you so much for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have done my base. That includes prepping and priming and applying the foundation, setting my face, basically all those stuffs. And I will be jumping into the eye makeup, and also I will be doing the brows. I did not do the brows, just the face, because of which it looks kind of flat and weird, but it's okay. We will be going to the eye makeup. Fine. Let's move into the brows, but before that, I think I will be priming my eyes. And for priming, I'm taking this Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. So I applied the eyeshadow primer on this concealer brush, and then what I'm gonna do is go sharply beneath my brows, and then I would be applying it all over my eyes. Now, if you want, you can always use a concealer. It's all up to your choice. Makeup does not necessarily always have any kind of rules. And the best part is makeup always has options, substitutes. Most of the time, it does have. Yeah, okay. You do not want to use a foundation, use a concealer, or a compact powder. Here, you do not want to use an eyeshadow primer, you can always use a concealer. Sometimes when, I have used compact powders as well. So yeah, okay, too much of blabbering. Here you can see I have applied the primer on my entire lid space. So once my eyelids are primed, I would be setting it with a powder or an eyeshadow, anything could do. Yeah, anything. But before that, I will be doing my brows. For the brows, I'm using this N Wild Retractable Brow Pencil. Please don't mind those pink stains on the body or the cover. That is because when I was traveling, one of my nail polishes, it got leaked, and many of my makeup products packaging got stained. And I was just so lazy. I just do not remove the stains as well. Any which way, here you could see with the spoolie, I just combed the brow here downwards. And next I would be overlining my brows, which I always do. And then filling up any gaps, spaces, sparse area. So finally I'm combing the brow here downwards, and then filling up the gaps or the spaces there. Also with flecking hair like motion, I'm filling the inner part of my brows. Okay, I want it to fill up a bit more just to realign this part. And then finally I will be using the spoolie to blend everything. So once my brows are done, I would be setting my eyeshadow primer. It has started to crease a bit. Okay, so if you want, you can use any kind of a powder, either a compact powder or a loose powder or even an eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. And first I will be taking this shade and I would be lightly setting my primer. So once the primer is set, next I would be moving towards the eyeshadow. Okay, first what I'm gonna do is take this PAC Long Lasting HD Kohl Pencil. Fine. So the first step for me is the toughest one because I have this hood, if you can see. I will be zooming it here. So this is basically the hood, this extra fold of skin when I look forward, this thing. Okay, and it kind of comes almost to the outer edge of my outer corner. I think that's the best way I can describe it. Okay, to the outermost edge. If you can see this. Here there are two folds of skin. So it kind of comes here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is draw a sharp line on the outer corners. Fine. So once I have drawn out the lines, what I'm going to do is use my finger to extend it. I would be going over it once again. This time I have drawn a longer line. Okay, it got kind of extended. So here you can see how it has turned out to be. Next, I'm gonna extend this black shade a bit towards the inner corner, but towards the lid. I'm drawing this black shade more towards the lash line, and as I move upwards, the width decreases. Okay. Now using my finger, I'm going to smudge it. Next, taking a small blending brush, I would be taking this dark brown shade from the palette and I would be first applying it on the crease area. And then with the blending brush, I would be blending it out. Next, I would be again taking this brown shade and I would be applying it over the area where I applied the black kohl pencil, and would be packing the color. And finally covering the entire lid space with it. And then would be blending everything out. The black thing here, I would be smudging out a bit even more so everything looks kind of blended. For my lower eyelids, I would be again applying this kohl pencil on the outer corners of my lower eyelids. And then with this same small blending brush, I would be smoking out the entire lower lash line area. So yeah, the eyeshadow part is done. Next comes lining the upper lip. Okay, so for lining, I'm taking this K Beauty eyeliner. Whatever is the full name of the eyeliner, I would be mentioning it below in the description box. Lining is done, and I made small wings today. I did not make that long elongated wings. Elongated wings. Okay, those long wings that I usually do. I kept more like kitten wings kind of thing, or something between kitten and those elongated wings. Okay, whatsoever. Fine. Let's quickly move into the mascara. For mascara, I'm using this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. And finally, for highlighting the inner corners, I'm taking this N Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. My favorite. I mean, one of my favorites. And here you can see I'm using a pencil brush. I would be using the same highlighter to highlight my brow bones as well. Now, if you want, it's a completely personal choice. You can line the lower waterline, but I have personally felt that if I do so, my eyes look kind of smaller. So I am not doing it. If you want, you can definitely go ahead with it. So I did the falsies and the rest of the face makeup behind the camera. Okay, the lipstick that I'm wearing today is the Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Morning Coffee. It's a beautiful nude shade and it really complements the smoky brown kind of an eye look. And one more thing is that wearing falsies is completely optional. If you want, you can definitely go for it. If you do not want, then you can happily skip this step. I do not love the process of wearing the falsies, but when I wear them, it definitely gives more drama and makes the eye look more beautiful. So I wore it. And this, you guys, is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye-bye. I love you all.